Titans. Upon a time in the quaint town of Meadowvale there lived an unlikely pair of friends, a dog named Max and a cat named Whisker. They were the talk of the town, as everyone was amused how a dog and a cat could form such a close bond. Max, a golden retriever with a heart as big as his floppy ears, and Whiskers, a sleek black and white cat with a mischievous twinkle in his eye since he was a tiny furble. Their friendship begins one sunny afternoon when Max accidentally knocks over a vase in the Johnson family's backyard, with his overly excited, wagging tail. Whispers, who were slowing down nearby, were startled by the crash. Instead of hissing or running away, she blinked at Max. That moment marked the beginning of a beautiful courtship. The two friends were seen roaming the city together. Max, with his tongue sticking out and tail wagging, would lead the way, while Whiskers, perched comfortably on Max's back, enjoyed the ride. Their adventures were the stuff of legends in Meadowvale. From chasing butterflies through flower-filled meadows to daring escapades in the nearby woods, Max and Whiskers were a dynamic duo. Their friendship extends to other animals in the town. Max became the unofficial guardian of the local birds, making sure they had safe places to build their nests. Whispers, with their nimble claws, would occasionally catch a mouse and drop it on the doorstep of Mrs. Jenkins, the elderly woman in the street. The town, once divided by species, began to witness a harmony it had never known before. As the seasons changed, so did the dynamics of Max and Whiskers' friendship. Winter brought a blanket of snow, turning Meadowvale into a winter wonderland. Max loved swinging in the snow, and Whiskers discovered the joy of chasing snowflakes despite his initial reluctance. They became the city's favorite winter pastime, their playful antics bringing smiles to the faces of young and old alike. However, one fateful day, a storm hit Meadowvale. Thunder rolled and lightning flashed across the sky, sending the city into a frenzy. Max, normally fearless, was overcome with fear. Whispers, sensing her friend's distress, approached her with a soothing voice. She turns with Max, and as the storm rages outside, their friendship proves to be a source of strength. The storm eventually passed, leaving behind a transformed Meadowvale. The townspeople, inspired by Max and Whiskers' unwavering friendship, come together to rebuild what the storm took away. The dog and cat once again became the heart and soul of the city. And so, in the small town of Meadowvale, the story of Max and Whiskers became a legend, a story passed down from generation to generation. Their friendship was a testament to the idea that bonds can be formed across species boundaries, proving that sometimes, the most unusual friendships emerge from the most unexpected places. Love, Paws and Whiskers, an unlikely friendship.